If you want to manifest miracles in your life, you've got to start doing something different.
It was the most powerful thing in my whole life. Today I woke up and I woke up 1 hour after I used to wake up, and I was wondering, oh, it's done, it's finished. I got so used to it, and I really loved it, and I really enjoyed it. It was so good, so good. I have a lot of notes that I've been taking that I'm most definitely will come back after this, and it was the most powerful thing I think in my life, because who does this, you know? At the end, the meditation was and all the joy, and we all were dedicated to good, and it was unbelievable. So good. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, Master, and all the team. And yep, it was amazing. So good to learn. And everything I did learn, I started to apply.